If you want to add text on Lucidchart, whether that's as a standalone text box or directly inside a shape, this video will walk you through both methods step by step. It's a super useful skill if you're building diagrams, flowcharts, org charts, process maps, or any visual where clear labeling matters. And if this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, I'll show you the fastest way to add text anywhere on the canvas. Open your document in Lucidchart and make sure you're inside the editor. Once your canvas is open, move your mouse over an empty area and simply double-click anywhere on the blank canvas. When you do that, Lucidchart will create a text box right where you clicked. This is really helpful when you want to place notes, labels, headings, or comments without attaching them to a shape. After the text box appears, double-click inside that text box to activate typing. Now just begin entering your text. You can type a title, a label, a short note, or even a longer description depending on what your diagram needs. If you want to move it, just click and drag the text box to a new spot on the canvas. That gives you a lot of flexibility when arranging your layout. Now let's go over the second method, which is adding text inside a shape. This is the most common option if you're building a diagram and want the shape itself to contain the label. On the left panel, choose any shape you want and drag it onto the canvas. You can use a rectangle, circle, process box, decision diamond, or any other shape available in Lucidchart. Once the shape is on the canvas, double-click anywhere on that shape. After that, start typing your text. The text will appear inside the shape, and in many cases, the shape will expand automatically to fit the amount of text you enter. This makes it really easy to create clean, professional-looking diagrams without having to resize everything manually right away. If the text doesn't look exactly the way you want, you can always adjust it afterward. You can click the shape or text and use the formatting options to change the font size, style, alignment, or positioning. That way, your labels stay readable and your diagram stays organized. If you're working on a more detailed flowchart, this is especially useful because it keeps each step clearly labeled. A quick tip here. If you only want text and no visible shape, use the empty canvas method. But if the text belongs to a process step or object in your diagram, put it inside the shape. Choosing the right method depends on what kind of document you're creating and how polished you want the final result to look. If for some reason double-clicking doesn't seem to work right away, make sure you're actually in the editing canvas and not just viewing the document. Also check that you're clicking in an empty space for a standalone text box or directly on a shape if you want to type inside it. Once you get used to it, adding text in Lucidchart becomes very fast and natural, and that's really all there is to it. To add text on Lucidchart, you can double-click the empty canvas to create a text box, or double-click a shape and type directly inside it. Both methods are simple, fast, and useful depending on the type of diagram you're making. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Lucidchart tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.